Hello, Mid-American region. I am excited to share with you that we have some new updates. I'm going right into contacts here for Command to help with you sending emails. There's now an email signature option that you can use directly through contacts, and you can also use it in your smart plan. So I'll show you both of those. I'm going to start with contacts, and these are... Let me update my list here. So once you're in a contact that has an email, when you click on the email, it does open up an email composer tool for you. You'll notice at the bottom, there's now a button that says signature. If you click on that, I have created two different signatures, so I can choose between those. If you haven't created one yet, you can go ahead and manage them, and you can hit this Add Signature button. You can title it. And then you can put the information in. We do have the full editing tool options here, so I can make this bold. I can change the color. It's hard to see that. I can make it whatever color I want, and I can even do links. So if I highlight where it says links and hit this little chain link here, I can put my website link right in there. And now that whole thing became hyperlinked. So I wouldn't actually want it to say links for my clients. I would say, like, visit my website. And now it's blue and my clients can click on it. You can change your formatting. You can add emojis, change your fonts. So you've got lots of options in there. I'm going to go ahead and hit save, and there's my test signature is what I called that. So now you can see I have Amy Stack, RTT, and test signature to choose from. I can also come in here and edit anything I want. Here's one that I already had built out. Or I can totally delete a signature if I chose to do that as well. So once you're in this composer, you can choose signature at the bottom, and now you can see I have 3 signatures to choose from. And that will just insert that signature into my email. You're also able to use this in smart plans. If you're doing a simple text step, let's see. So a simple email. Oh. So here we have an email step. And I have a signature button right here. So again, I can choose between any of those 3 signatures I've created, and I can still manage my signatures from here as well. Here's my RTT one. So that just popped right in place for me. And then I could add that, save the smart plan. But I can add that to any step in the whole smart plan that allows for an email signature. I'm not going to save this. The other thing you can do is in designs, when you are creating an email, here's the newsletter I make every month for everyone. There is now a widget on the right-hand side that says signature. So I can click and drag that. You'll see that green bar pop up. Wherever I release that green bar, my signature block is going to pop in. And then on the right, I have the option again to select which one I want. So here's my test one. And it popped right in. Oh, that's not the one I wanted. Let's click the other one, and there it is. And you would just hit save and close, or save and then continue working on the rest of it. So those are the ways you can use that signature, and it makes it super easy so you don't have to manually type this in any of those places anymore. It's just ready to go for you, and it's quick to update. It's just making my life a lot easier, and I hope it makes yours easier too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time we have a fun update.